To change your Apple ID to country/region to Singapore is a very simple step. Now follow this to do so. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device. Inside App Store, simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on your name at the top. Then here, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the country/region option available there. Now tap on the change country/region again and you'll be navigated to the long list of countries option. Here choose Singapore and select it. After you select the Singapore, you will be navigated to the terms and conditions of Apple ID. In there, all you have to do is tap on the agree option available there. After you tap on the agree, you will be navigated to the payment section. Here, if you don't have any payment, then you can tap on the none option available there. And you'll have to enter the Singapore address and some of your personal information. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.